My Grammar Skills Level 1 by R. Surendran. Vowels and consonants. Vowels are voice sounds made with the mouth open. Consonants are sounds blocked by the tongue, teeth, or lips. There are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U, and there are 21 consonants in the English alphabet. Sometimes Y is also called an vowel. Here is a old children rhyme about the 8 parts of speech in English grammar. Every name is called a noun, as field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands, as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing, as magic wand or bridal ring. Most verbs mean action, something done. To read and write, to jump and run. How things are done, the adverbs tell, as quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street or at the station. Conjunctions join in many ways. Sentences, words, or phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out, heed, an exclamation point must follow me. The capital letter is also called a big letter or uppercase letter or sometimes capital. So these are the capital letters in the English alphabet. When to use a capital letter? Always use a capital letter for the word I. I'm 6 years old. Use capital letter for the names of people like Krishna, John, Mohammed. Use capital letter for holidays, days of the week, month of the year. These are the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a single complete thought. Sentences are of 4 kinds. Declarative is a sentence that tells about something. It always ends with a period. That book is mine. Imperative is a sentence that expresses a command or request. Bring me that book. Interrogative is a sentence that asks a question. Is that your book? Exclamation is a sentence that expresses violent emotion, surprise, or anger. It ends with an exclamatory mark. What a lovely weather. Noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, or things. Some nouns name people, some nouns name places, some nouns name animal, some nouns name a thing. Nouns are divided into common noun and proper nouns. Let's see some of the example of common and proper nouns in the coming pages. Common nouns or people: doctor, soldier, man, teacher. These are some of the examples of the common nouns of people. Common nouns: animal, zebra, deer, cat, crocodile, or some of the common nouns for the name of animals. Common nouns of places like park, library, temple, and beach, or some of the examples of common noun for places. Let's look at the examples of proper nouns of things. Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Bobby Doll. These are the proper nouns of things. Let's see the list of proper nouns and common nouns. Abdul Kalam is the name of a person, hence it's a proper noun. Pencil is a common noun. Likewise, Tamil Nadu is a proper noun. Bus is a common noun. River Ganges is a proper noun. Frog is a common noun. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a common noun or a proper noun. There are different kinds of pronoun. Personal pronouns. The words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are personal pronouns. Example: my name is Govind. I am the elder in the family. The words me, you, him, her, it, us, and them are also personal pronouns. They also take the place of nouns. There are 3 groups of pronouns: first person, second person, and third person. The person speaking is called the first person. The person spoken to is called the second person. The person spoken about is called the third person. Here is a table to help you. First person singular, subject is I, object is me. Second person, you and you. Third person, he, him, she, her, it and it. First person plural, we and us. Second person, you. Third person, they and them. Here is a chart for pronouns. Subject pronoun I, object pronoun me. Possessive adjective is my, possessive pronoun is mine. Reflexive pronoun is myself. Likewise, he, him, his and himself. We, our, ours and ours. Let's see what is an adjective. An adjective is a describing word. It tells you more about a noun. A large bed, a tall building, a busy street, a beautiful flower. Tall, large, beautiful, and busy describes a noun, hence it is called an adjective. Let's see what's a verb. A verb is a word that describes an action or a state of being, like walking, jumping, running. Right? Here in this picture, you see a girl singing, children are reading, and some children are running and playing. These are the examples for verbs. The words am, is, or are also verbs, but they are not action words. They are the simple present tense of the word be. It's a donkey. Here is a verb. They are good friends. And I am John. These are some of the examples for verb be. Here is a table to help you. Remember how to use am, is, and are. First person singular is I am, plural we are. Second person you are, and plural is also you are. Third person he is, and they are, she is, they are, it is, and they are. Learn these short forms called contractions. For I am, you put I apostrophe am. Likewise, he is, she is. So these are the contractions. Okay, these are called short forms. Alright. Whenever you come across, please note that. Here, let us see some adverbs. Adverb is a word that modifies a verb. Right. In this example, we see a child writes, please write legibly. Please speak clearly. It is raining heavily. These are the example for adverb which describes a verb. Adverbs are classified according to their meanings as adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, and adverbs of degree. Some of the examples: clearly is a manner, time is recently, place here, and degree is rather. Alright. So go through these examples. Preposition. A preposition is a word that connects one thing with another, showing how they are related. Some preposition tell you about position or place. There are clouds in the sky. The cup is on the table. These are the examples for preposition. The horse jumped over the hurdle. Some preposition are used to talk about time. The trees lose their leaves during winter. We wash our hands before meals. Alright, these talk about time. See what is a conjunction. A conjunction is a linking word such as and, or, but. Conjunction are used to connect words or sentences. Let's see an example. We can go by bicycle or by car. He is slow but steady. The words before, after, as, when, while, until, since are also conjunctions. They tell when something happens, so they are called conjunctions of time. Subhashri could play the piano before she was 5. Nikhil listened to music while he was doing his homework. Interjection. Interjection is a word that expresses a sudden, strong feeling such as surprise, pain, or pleasure. Oh dear, ouch, look out, hey, Merry Christmas. These are the examples. An exclamation should follow an interjection. Let's learn what are homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. Let's see some of the examples. Sun and sun, right and right, 8 and 8. These are some of the examples for sail and sail, red and red, sea and sea, Let's see, the spellings are different, but it sounds the same. So, hence they are called homophones. Let's see when to use am, is, and are. Am is always found with the word I. Is comes before or after he, she, it, or a noun. Are goes together with the word you and they as well as any. Let's see some examples. You are a big boy. We are good children. The children are happy. They are at schools. By using the words am, is, or at the beginning of sentence, you automatically change the sentence into one that asks the questions. Hope you understand when to use am, is, and are. Let's see the chart. Long form I am, short form is am. Example, I am late. Negation, I am not late. Question, am I late? Read the following sentence. You are clever, you are not clever, are you clever? He is happy, he is not happy, is he happy? So these are the examples for am, is, and are. Articles. The words a or an and the are called articles. They come before nouns. A or an is called the indefinite article because it usually leaves indefinite the person or things spoken of. A doctor, that is any doctor. The is called the definite article. The definite article is used when we talk about a particular person or thing, or one already referred to. The girl cried. The pen you want is out of stock. We also use the when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, as the cow is a useful animal. Let's see what are punctuations. The marks such as full stop, comma, and brackets used in writing to separate sentences and their elements and to clarify meaning. So when to use a full stop? Use a full stop at the end of the sentence. Arjun will feed the rabbit some carrots. Use a question mark at the end of asking a question. Use an apostrophe before an S to show ownership by one person or thing. Like Nikhil's shirt is yellow. Use a comma to separate the day of the week from the month of the year when writing a date in a sentence. There is no need to use punctuation marks when addressing an envelope or writing the address in a letter. Use a comma after the greeting and after closing in a letter. Let's revise the parts of speech. Nouns describe places, people, things, and ideas. Pronouns are used instead of noun like I, you, he, she. Adjectives describe noun, which one, what kind, and how many. Prepositions show relationship from school to home.